Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying minimal prerequisites. Make sure you're signed into an admin account and Windows updates are applied. Once done, run an integrity check because corrupted system files often block the security app. Open an elevated PowerShell, run sfc/scano and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, and wait for each to finish. This repairs core components. If files are fixed, restart. These steps address the most common root causes quickly and safely. Next, you reset runtime components that the app depends on so it can relaunch cleanly. First, restart services like Security Center and Windows Management Instrumentation. Use services, MSC or PowerShell to stop and start them. Then reset the Windows Security app from app's advanced options. This clears cached state. If the app still fails, re-register its packages by running get-apps package Microsoft. Sec Health UI all users reset or reinstall via add-apps package. To finish, verify whether the problem is per user by creating a new local admin account and launching Windows Security there. If it opens, your profile was corrupted. Also inspect Event Viewer. Look under Applications and Services logs for error codes and times. Those details guide the next step. If issues persist, use System Restore to revert to a working point, or run an in-place upgrade repair from Windows installation media to preserve files while repairing system components. If that fails, contact Microsoft support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.